In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to backtest your forex strategies inside of Exness. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to exness.com and log into your account. Once you have done that, it should look something like this once you're inside of the dashboard. Now from here you'll need to go over to the Exness terminal over here, then a new page will pop up. If you are interested in getting how to do it on MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, I'll put a couple links down in the description for you to check out. This video will only be dedicated to Exness terminal. From here, it should look something like this. And now from here, you'll need to go up to the instruments and search for the specific symbol that you want to backtest your strategy for. So let's choose Ethereum right here. Now from here, you'll need to go up right beside indicators. There should be this little bar replay right here. Now once you're clicked on that, you'll need to find the space, the indicator that you want to start the backtest from. So you'll just click on the chart, and then from here you can click start your replay, and then you can see right here it is beginning to backtest. Once it is done, you'll get, of course, the data, the necessary data for everything. You can forward, you can do real time, or you can cancel your chart replay mode. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave it down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!